So today I have Eve, this is Eve Delf, and today we're going to be doing a really nice, beautiful, flawless skin. So I'm starting off with some new skincare products today from Lernberger and Stafsing. I hope I'm saying that right. It's a Swedish brand, and it's just basically high quality, sustainable and free from harmful chemicals skincare. And I'm using, first of all, the cleanser, which I use onto the skin and then wipe away with cotton wool, and then onto a moisture serum. And I'm just massaging this into the skin to give the skin a little bit of life. There you go, that's the serum that I'm using. It really helps the circulation if you do a quick massage and preps the skin nice, ready for the foundation. So the foundation I'm using today is the Gucci Fluid Debut, and this is Fair to Medium, shade in 220N. It's a really nice natural finish fluid foundation, so it's very sheer, but you can build it up where you need to. So I'm just putting it all over Eve's face and then building it up around the T-zone. I'm using my fingers and hands the heat from your hands sometimes helps the foundation to kind of sink into your skin rather than sit on top. So it's a really good way of kind of getting the foundation to really blend into the skin. So I've just used a shade that's actually one shade warmer for Eve's skin, just to give her a nice spring summer warmth to the tone of her skin. So I'm just going to brush the eyebrows with my big brow brush. Make sure they're all going in the same direction. It always frames the eyes, so really recommend brushing the eyebrows. So I'm just removing a couple of little eyebrow hairs that I don't think need to be there. I normally do this before I do the foundation, but sometimes when you've done the base you can see them kind of sitting out more on top of the skin, so I'm just going to get rid of any little fluffy bits. Make sure you've got them symmetrical both sides and a really nice shape. And brush them again. So I'm just going to use my soap brow, which is from Westbarn company. I love using the soap brow because it's really just give the eyebrows a great texture and helps them to stay in a great shape, so and kind of flatten them as well. So with Eve, she has got quite a lot of eyebrow hair, so it kind of just helps to just tame those hairs and make them sit a little bit flat. I think after Cara Delevingne everyone wanted big eyebrows, so it's really nice to have so many girls now with a nice full brow and not pencil thin. So on Eve's cheeks, I'm just using some Dior Glow Maximizer, which is like a nice shiny highlighter cream that you can put on with a brush. It's got a really nice reflective shine to it, as you can see. So I'm just adding some Secret Camouflage from the Laura Mercier just around the T-zone, so she gets that beautiful flawless skin. Quick curl of the lashes. I say quick, you should really be very careful on curling lashes, but especially on other people. And I'm just using my Burberry eyebrow pen just to go in on the very outer edge of Eve's eyebrows, just to do a few feather strokes. Obviously I don't want to go in too much to fill them out because they're very strong eyebrows, so you kind of just leave them be. But any little gaps or sparseness you just fill in with this ink pen, which is really great. And elongate the outer edge. Just find if you elongate the eyebrow just slightly, very minimal, but it does make a better shape and a frame. So I'm just going to add some cream eyeshadow. This is a soft wash of matte colour. And this one's by Glossier. It's called Sky Wash in Neutral Taupe. And it's just very, very sheer. So it's a liquid to powder eyeshadow. It just diffuses, gives a really nice soft. So just wiping Eve's lips with a Kiko scrub. This is a Weleda lip balm. I really like it. It's quite oily and glossy. So using my Givenchy Mr. Light, just putting it on those areas around the eyes, nose and chin and blending that away. So I'm going to add some blush with my new Spectrum blusher brush, or it could be a powder brush, but it's a really great brush. It's really good to get the apples of the cheeks. And I'm using the iconic London Sheer blush in Riot Pink. It's a really fresh sheer colour, and gives that healthy, beautiful, natural flush to the apples of the cheeks. So just cleaning off the skin just with my concealer brush, and then I want to use a little bit of the Sky Wash from Glossier under the eyes just to give them a little bit more definition and depth, obviously not dragging the eye down, and using a little bit of highlighter on the inner eye corner just really opens up the eyes. This is my usual highlighting stick from Pat McGrath Labs. So just adding a little bit of the highlighter to the Cupid's bow gives it that little bit of definition and enhances the lip shape. And just a little bit of contour underneath the cheekbone. This is just a taupe, and it's not the same taupe we used on the eyes. This is a powder taupe, and this is by Dior from their Backstage collection. Cleaning up the skin, making sure it's all perfect. And there you go, that's the finished look. Flawless, beautiful, natural skin. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and comment. New videos are going to be uploaded onto my channel every Saturday, so please subscribe.